This profile belongs to Elaine, and Elaine is the co-founder and CEO of Move Wellness. I am. There's a lot of questions I have, but the first thing is I don't know exactly what Move Wellness is, and the headline is a really good opportunity to share your philosophy, share more than just your brand name. That the brand can always go in your banner, but we want somebody to understand, like, what is Move Wellness, right? Is it just um, a particular type of thing? When I go into her profile, I see that she is a Pilates instructor, and it looks like she might also have um, uh, she might do some certifications, but I'm not entirely sure. But I think that that's a really a good opportunity for her to do this. She could also add, if she wanted to, her website here. And the next thing I just want to talk about is her about section. She's got a lot of good information in here. I might pull some of that off for the certifications and make sure that the certifications are below and not list them all here as well. And I also would say that, in generally speaking, one of the big questions that we've had as LinkedIn users, especially as founders and business owners, is how should the about section come in? Should it be in first person or third person? Well, this tends to be a stylistic choice. I think in 2024, when the formality of LinkedIn has dropped significantly and just overall in social media, and that as an owner, right, she owns the company, she gets to be a little bit less formal, right? So I might consider putting this rather than in third person, in first person, because this also might give her an opportunity to tell a little bit of a story that, kind of makes the case as to why you should work with her and what she's doing. And then just a quick piece here. I would just make sure that we don't have silly little typos like this, like co-founder and CEO twice. But she has some really good bones, and it wouldn't take a whole lot to just kind of move this profile up from, okay to good to excellent, because everything is already there. And I don't think it's going to take a lot for her to um, figure out the pieces that need to be updated. Okay, so a big thank you to Elaine for letting me review her profile. And if you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments, and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to do that. Thanks a lot.